This $5 plastic tool from Amazon saved me from getting ripped off over $1,300 at an auto body shop. We were driving through the neighborhood on garbage day. The roads are a little bit narrow, trash cans on the sides of the street, another vehicle is coming, so we scooted over and we clipped the mirror on the side of the van, and it shattered the mirror, busted the plastic housing. So, had to get it fixed. We started by calling some auto body places to ask what it would take to replace that mirror. So let's try one more.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I was talking to somebody earlier about trying to get a price on side mirror being replaced that got broken.
So we will have to do an estimate for a side mirror.
Okay, somebody can give a rough estimate over the phone.
No, we don't do that over the phone.
Okay.
It's something that you have to come in for, and we have to make an appointment. Are you going through insurance?
No, we just hit a trash can, wasn't planned to file an insurance claim.
I have you set for 1 o'clock, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The whole thing started because we called a few places and none of them would give a quote over the phone. They said you had to come in. So what did I do? I went to the first place, walked in, and they said, you know what?
You have an appointment?
No.
So we actually don't take appointments after 3.
So I had to set up an appointment to come back another day. The second place asked if we were using insurance. Oh, okay. I said, it's just a mirror. It's not that expensive. Okay, thank you for the info. Have a good one. Finally, I went to a third spot, walked in, talked to the lady at the desk, and she said,
they're pretty expensive mirrors. Over $1,000 for a mirror.
They can have the sensors on them indicating another car is to the side. They can have cameras on them. The sensors can require calibration. It can just get spendy.
For customer base, but if you go to there's
Okay.
a drop-down menu.
Yep.
And for an online estimate, you'll get one back within 24 hours.
Oh,
and they're pretty
that's
accurate.
great.
You'll still have to take pictures of the 4 corners of the car.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one. So the third place, when I went home, I used their online tool, had me take a bunch of photos of the vehicle. While I was waiting for that estimate to come back, the next day I went back to the first auto body shop. The estimator came out and guess what he did? He took his phone, walked around the vehicle, took shots from all the same spots, scanned the VIN number, and said he'd get back to me. Guess what happened when I got the estimates back? I couldn't believe it. I opened the estimate from the third place and it said $1,346 to replace the side mirror. What? It was absolutely crazy. Couldn't believe how much money. That got me thinking. I decided it was way too expensive to pay to get this mirror fixed. There had to be a more economical way. That's where this tool comes in. I found a video online, showed me what I needed to do.
One screw here, screw right here. They're gonna want to take these 3 then. 1, 2, and 3.
To get at this mirror and replace it. Check this out. Guess what I found on Amazon for under $100? Well, this looks just about right. The guy at the auto body shop said this only takes about a half hour to replace the mirror. Watch how easy it is with the right tool. First, I've got 3 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3. There's about 10 clips around the edge of the door. And one right there. This one has a single clip right there. Let's see. Now my panel is free. Now I have 1, 2, 3 bolts to undo. There we go. Mirror's removed. This cheap piece of plastic was super helpful. Give me 15 seconds to put this thing back together, and then you won't believe what happened. These clips all pop into place much easier than they come out. I've got links in the description for this tool, the mirror I used, and another great money-saving tip with Tom's Key Company. There we go. Can you believe how easy that was? This little plastic tool saved me hundreds of dollars in getting this mirror replaced. It only took a half hour of my time. Meanwhile, once I finished that, I got the quote back from the first place. And their quote came back at a much more reasonable $138 with a great big asterisk saying this is an aftermarket part. He can't guarantee it works, but if he'd like, he could use an OEM part and that would cost about $350 instead. There was a wide range from the place that quoted over $1,300 to the place that quoted about $140. Now that I got this tool and know how easy it is to replace the mirror, guess what happened to the driver's side a few days later?
Oh, come on.
You can pick up this tool from Amazon, check the link down below, and visit tomskey.com for another great money-saving tip for your vehicle. Be sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, you're gonna love this one right here.